So, hi Kriti ma'am, very big
Hi.
fan of you. I wanted to ask you being 5'10, how was it different for you to crack in the industry than others? Because firsthand you were a model. So, how different
Five,
was
nine
it?
and a half, I would say, but uh, it wasn't difficult. Yeah, why would it be difficult? There are so many tall women in our industry, whether it's Deepika, whether it's Katrina, whether it's Anushka, whether it's Sonam. There are like many tall women. Sushmita Sen has been there since when? So no, I'm proud of my height, and I think it's one of the reasons that I can carry anything and everything. And not at all. It's please don't think that it's tough for tall
No,
women
no,
to be
as in
anywhere.
the experience, how was it like when you were breaking and you were coming and carrying everything?
I have worked with many actors who are shorter than me, and I don't think it matters at the end of it. I think when you look for chemistry, chemistry is here. So chemistry is all about the face, is all about the acting. So I don't think height has any role to play in it. And I heard Salman sir had told someone that that you carry your height, I'll carry mine.
Thank you, ma'am.
What is that one thing that you think you knew? Because I also am an aspiring actor, and I would like to know from you what has helped you or what has taken you so far. The one thing that you made you stand out among your contemporaries.
Uh, I think my individuality, I would say. I feel like very often you have a lot of people around you who are telling you to behave a certain way, to be a certain way, to do certain films, this is what people do, or everyone is doing this, or dress like this, behave like this, talk like this. I think slowly you see a lot of people just becoming clones of each other, and what has to be unique to you is your personality. So the fact that I still, at my core, I'm still that Patpadganj ki, Delhi ki ladki. I don't think that has changed. I think, there was a phase when people would be like, there has to be some mystery because you're an actor. You have to have some mystery about you. So don't be so out there on social media. Then when you're not so out there, then they're like, but you have to be relatable, so you be out there on social media. I just feel like you have to be real and you have to be honest and truthful to yourself. Be you, because there's only one. So I would genuinely say that don't try to change your personality or yourself to fit in. What you bring to the table has to be very unique, and that only you can do if you're not trying to be like someone else.
Who's your favorite co-star to work with?
This coffee with current type questions now. Who's your favorite? How can I say favorite now? There are many. Honestly, I've been blessed with some really, really good, fun co-stars to work with. Whether it is, friends like Varun or Karthik. But obviously, I have to say the one I've worked maximum number of times with is Pankaj Tripathi. So I would definitely say
Fabulous.
that he is my favorite, and I think I've done about like 3 films with him, maybe, and we've had 4 films actually, 4 films, and we've had a very different equation in every film.